Hey guys, welcome to Arlie, Meadows in Lillington. This is our Wayne home, which is a beautiful mastered down. This home is about 2,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. It has a study, screen and porch, an unfinished storage area, which is great, a loft, and a luxury master bath with a full tile shower with a bench and a rain head shown here. This home is currently priced at $439,900 and will be move-in ready at the end of the month, so it's truly a quick close. If you'd like to stop by and see more, don't hesitate to reach out. I can get a showing scheduled for you today.